Hey there, fellow beauty and wellness professionals. Ever had a client express interest in your services, but your schedule is completely booked? Frustrating, right? You don't want to lose potential business, but you also don't want to overbook yourself. Well, fear not. Today, we're diving deep into the world of waitlists on Vagaro. We'll cover where exactly you can find that elusive waitlist feature, how to easily add clients to it, tips and tricks to manage your waitlist effectively, and finally, how to seamlessly transition clients from the waitlist to your schedule. Let's get started. Finding the waitlist in Vagaro. Now, you might be thinking, waitlist? Where on earth is that hidden in Vagaro? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Navigate to the Clients tab. This is your central hub for all things client-related. Locate the specific client. Use the search bar to quickly find the client who's interested in booking. Click on their name. This will open their individual client profile. Look for the Add to Waitlist button. It's usually located towards the top of the profile, often within a prominent section. Adding clients to the waitlist. Adding a client to the waitlist is a breeze. Click the Add to Waitlist button. Specify the service they're interested in. This helps you keep track of their preferences. Optionally, add a note. This could include any relevant details, such as their preferred date, time, or any specific requests they may have. Managing your waitlist effectively. Now that you've got a waitlist, it's time to put it to work. Regularly review your waitlist. Set aside a specific time each day or week to check who's waiting. Prioritize clients. Consider factors like how long they've been on the waitlist, the urgency of their request, and their overall value as a client. Communicate proactively. Send a friendly email or text to clients on the waitlist to let them know you're thinking of them. You could even offer them a small incentive to stay on the list. Transitioning clients from waitlist to schedule. The moment you've been waiting for, a spot opens up. Identify the available appointment. Check your schedule for any cancellations or newly available times. Select the client from the waitlist. Choose the client who best suits the available appointment. Create a new appointment. Quickly schedule the client into the open slot. Remove them from the waitlist. Don't forget to remove them from the waitlist to avoid confusion. Tips and tricks for waitlist success. Utilize waitlist notifications. Set up email or text notifications to alert you when a new client is added to the waitlist. Segment your waitlist. Create separate waitlists for different services or service providers. Use your waitlist to gauge demand. Analyze your waitlist data to identify your most in-demand services and adjust your pricing or service offerings accordingly. Consider a waitlist policy. Clearly communicate your waitlist policy to your clients, including how it works and what to expect. Beyond the basics, Vagaro offers some advanced features to further enhance your waitlist management. Custom fields. Create custom fields to capture additional information about your waitlist clients, such as their preferred day of the week or their preferred service provider. Integrations. Integrate your Vagaro account with other tools, such as email marketing platforms, to automate communication with waitlist clients. Troubleshooting common issues. Clients not receiving waitlist notifications. Double-check your notification settings and ensure that the client's contact information is up to date. Difficulty finding the waitlist feature. Contact Vagaro support for assistance in locating and navigating the waitlist within your account. Clients expressing frustration with the waitlist process. Be transparent and communicate proactively with your clients. Explain the waitlist process and apologize for any inconvenience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.